Hello and welcome. Just want to take you through a small discussion on the logarithm, and I'm going to provide an example to see how we actually work on questions related to logarithm, how to change those questions from the log form to index form so that we can easily solve such particular question. Now consider this. You are told to solve for x in the equation, that is a half log 81 to base 2 plus log x squared minus x over 3 to base 2 equals to 1. Now to solve this equation, first of all, we are going to rewrite it, and you can see that we've taken this a half back here to half log 81 raised to a half base 2 plus log x squared minus x over 3 base 2 equals to 1. Remember, any number raised to a half, that is the same as the square root. And doing that one, simplifying that, our equation reduces to log 9 base 2 plus log x squared minus x over 3 base 2 equals to 1. Now, we will try to combine these two using the laws of logarithm, that if two logs are added, it is the same as multiplication, and therefore this log is going to reduce into log 9 into x squared minus x over 3 base 2 equals to 1. So we've combined the two because they are added, so we are multiplying, that is 9 times x squared minus x over 3 base 2 equals to 1. This is the log form. Now we'll proceed on to write it as index form, and by so doing we will have the base 2 to power 1 should be equals to 9 into bracket x squared minus x over 3. Now we've converted this log form into index form. Now from there, we now expand this equation. We expand this equation and simplify. By expanding this equation, we have 9x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Now realize that we are now coming up with a quadratic equation in x, and we can actually easily solve this particular quadratic equation. Now, to solve this, we will use the factorization procedure and realize the product is negative 18 and the sum is negative 3. So the two factors for this case is negative 6 and 3. Now, factoring them into this equation, then we have 3x plus 1, 3x minus 2 after we factorize this one. And therefore, we realize that therefore, it means that 3x plus 1 equals to 0, or 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Now from there, we can actually solve this first equation to have x equals to negative a third, or the second part, x equals to 2 over 3. Now I believe that demonstration on how to change those particular log form to index form for easy computation has enabled you to understand how to work out problem related to logs. I believe that information is relevant for your understanding. Please subscribe to be part of my class for more lesson and interesting lesson to come. Thank you and be blessed.